Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Neighborhood Lawyers. We are back with a new video in which we are going to show our law books collection, which as a law student you must have, and yeah, you should have obviously. Oh na, law student, to rakho.
2,000 years later.
Well, as a law student, it is a basic and it is a basic requirement. Yeah, yes.
तेरा तो गेम बचा.
I won't understand. That still law students know. That's why when they will become law practitioner, it will matter. So let me show you the book collection which we have.
She is a legendary advocate.
Yes, I am right now a lawyer and future advocate.
देखना पड़ रहा है. अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
कैसे लोग हैं, मतलब कहाँ से आ जाते हैं. So this is the first one, Oxford Law Dictionary. जाओ खरीदो पढ़ो, जो हम कभी नहीं किए वो तुम तो करो. So this is Oxford Law Dictionary, which is the basic requirement of every law student to know the meaning, to know the definitions. So called, yeah, you have to read it.
Did you have you used it?
Yes, once in first semester. Now, so I'll clear one thing, that we are in third year. So we have.
No, we didn't even test this book.
So we have only books till third year. So we'll purchase other books later. So whatever are the requirement till now, we will give it in the description. You can check the description and get it. So the next book is 10 Judgments That Changes India, Zia Modi. This is the book which was suggested by our principal sir in first semester, for which only one judgment we have read. But you have to read.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ. आइए भाई.
Next.
Legal methods. Basic of the
This
law.
is the legal methods book. So this is by Davis.
शाबाश बेटा.
This fellow.
इतना जोर से काय को चिल्ला रहा है?
स्टाइल है बाबू भैया, राजू का स्टाइल.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
So this fellow has written this book and it is
Unable to read the name of the author.
he is some author. So he is Davis basically. This is not that much required, but yeah, if you want to know the basics, you have to read this book. And actually, it is a good book. And people say it is very difficult to pass, but I didn't feel it because I read jurisprudence. When you read jurisprudence, everything becomes easy for you. So next, we shall go with. Give me. So this is Contract.
Go show the constitution.
Later. This is Contract by Avtar Singh.
Third sem you have constitution.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो.
This is the book by Dr. Avtar Singh, Contract, and this is not at all useful. We read it for 2 semesters. Like, yeah, it is useful actually. Not, I was just kidding. This is useful in some part of your daily life, but you can. We have referred other book, right, for Contract.
R.K. Bhangia.
R.K. Bhandia.
So it is a library book.
So you can also refer it because it has easy text and it is like you basically the typical language you can't understand. We can't understand. क्यों?
बात तो सही है. दौड़ना तो पड़ता है. उसके धंधे के बारे में.
One more.
This is UPSC book. Okay. Show first show law book.
बात कर मेरे को जानता नहीं.
So after seeing this book, you will get fear, you will get tensed, you will get stressed, you will get everything basically. What you don't have also you will get.
One eternity later.
Why? Because this is IPC. Latal Lal, Dheeraj Lal. See, you can see. मुंह आँख नाक सब कुछ खोल के देखो भाइयों.
But it is easy. You need to memorize your sections.
Texture of the thing is very standard. It has maintained a very good standard and really appreciable book. But I prefer you go with some other for basics and always have a Berat. So it will be easy for you to continue. Well, it is not necessary right now.
Go for Paranjape.
Yeah, Paranjape is a good book.
It is in an understandable language.
So now,
Read BNS.
IPC, CRPC, sorry, CPC and evidence. We changed to BNS, BNSS.
Evidence Act.
Evidence Act.
Sakshi something is there. What is it?
So later
Wait.
So after which we have, let's show this also. This is Indian economy book. So we have studied UPSC with our we had integrated UPSC with our law course, which we have done for very less time, and we have purchased some good books also. This kind of which we never read. Only 1 or 2 chapters which we needed
At
for
least
our
you have
LLB.
purchased it. That also I didn't do.
So मेरी तरह topper. Indian economy by Vivek Singh, and really a good book for economics and you can you can go with this. So basically there are very standard books in jurisprudence, but
I forgot. Salmon. Please
Salmon.
don't take Salmon.
Baapre.
It is a summarized book of the Salmon. Actually, you can read this.
yeah, so we have thought that let's purchase Salmon, but we found it in online. So सोचा कि क्यों पैसे बर्बाद करें, हाँ पैसे क्यों बर्बाद करें, jurisprudence तो एक ही है, तुम इससे पढ़ो उससे पढ़ो.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं.
So we have purchased this book, which is by N.V. Paranjape, and it has a really good content, like very simple way. He has explained, the author has explained in a very systematic and very good way. So you can go with this book. For the next one, we have
Hindu law.
Hindu Law. So this is one of the good book, and this is by Paras Diwan. Yeah, Paras Diwan is the best author I have found because he has explained everything in a very good manner, and this has no defect. And yeah, Paras Diwan for Hindu Law is must. With that, you should also have a Bayer Act, which is very very important. And this Bayer Act is same of Hindu Law, so you can go with the Bayer Act also. And this is BNS का Bayer Act. Still BNS का books we have not got because we are done with our semester of BNS, so we have just got the Bayer Act of BNS. As of BNSS, which is not right now in our semester. We'll get it later.
CRPC.
We'll do a part 2 for this, so make sure you subscribe us. Like, share, subscribe, guys. So after that we have this Company Law by Avatar Singh, and
EBC production.
EBC production. This is really a list of good man, good. You'll feel it so good. So this is Company Law by Paranjape, and this is Company Law by EBC production Avatar Singh. Comparing both the books, compare. So you'll find this book easy, simple, and easy to go. You can go with Company Law Paranjape. So next we have is Labor Law, and basically what all books I have shown you before, those all are there in your judiciary syllabus, but this is not there in judiciary syllabus, but you can buy it for reference because
Company is also not there.
Company Law is also not there. And moreover, Labor Law is like you have many combination of acts. So instead of reading one act differently or reading the Bayer Act differently, you can purchase this book, which is from by K.M. Pillai, Labor and Industrial Law. So this book is like combination of all the acts, which will give you a good like reference for all the acts. So yeah, go with this book. Next we have TPP by S.N. Shukla. Very good book, very understandable, and it has a very easy text. But this book comparatively is by Avatar Singh, Transfer of Property Act, which has a like comprehensive text. Yeah, you can also go. And then comes Mohammedan Law. This is by Mullah, Mohammedan Law by Mullah, and this is actually like I got messed up while reading it, but the easy format of it is already given in Paras Diwan and Piyush Diwan, Muslim Law in Modern India. So you can highly go with this book and enjoy your read. Actually this is a good book. And obviously the Bayer Act for TP, very very important. And the last and main book which every law student must have is Constitution of India. Well, we have taken S.N. Shukla, V.N. Shukla as our reference book for 3rd and 4th semester. Yeah, we had it for 2 semesters, so we have taken it for 2 semesters. But you must purchase MP Jain for a standard constitutional knowledge, because wherever we have been for competitions or any other legal activities, people refer MP Jain because it has a very good standard. And yeah, the text of MP Jain is little bit difficult to understand. You'll find the online PDF also. It is little difficult to understand, but if you understand once now, it's very easy. So but I'll prefer you to go with MP Jain, if not V.N. Shukla. So that's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and
उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा, मुझे अमीर को नहीं रे, ये दो गरीबों
So last week, bye bye.